All right. Okay. Welcome. Everyone, we got ADP coming up here today, and that'll be pretty interesting to see how things play out for ADP. Let's see over here. Hello from Indonesia. Awesome. First weekend MFU living so far. Welcome, Rodi. Welcome. Rodi, are you the one who's growing an account? I'm pretty sure. Or was the name someone else? Oh, that's Ritik. Yeah, Ritik has been growing an account. He deposited $2,500 and right now he's sitting at $55,000. Man, that's amazing. Take a look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this right here. Ritik. Look at that. Withdrawal, 1,500 withdrawal. Deposit, 2,500. Profit, $57,599. Incredible. Just wild. Just wild. Mostly it's just about being patient with your entries, being patient with your setups, being patient to see how the candle will close, how the candle is open, is it volume or not. So those things matter a lot. So looking at gold, we're at 28.76. I got 0% trades from this move up. There's no history to the left-hand side. So, I mean, this is where we're at this point, right? So looking at the 30-minute time frame, let's take a look at this. Some are saying buy above, 28.70. You're looking at a very, very small range. So I would dare to go down to the 15-minute time frame. And now we can see we're basically just consolidating after that pushes. Look, so we have some sort of a resistance right here, 28.72. Okay. And if we measure this range, this is a 47, 48 pip range. So I would say if we can break and close above 28.72.50, I think there's a good opportunity to come up and fill this wick at 28.77. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty good. And at the same time, we got the support, and below the support, you have a range all the way down towards 28.57, which is below this wick. This is a 79 pip range. And we got ADP today. So we'll see. Nice suit. Thank you. What's your analysis for gold? I just gave that analysis out. So I will be waiting myself. So far, current month, nothing. 2 trades. Just 2 trades. Didn't even have time this month to do anything. So yeah, let's take a look at pound yen. 1 hour. Okay, so pound yen is also consolidating. We have a resistance. Actually, let's unlock this. We have resistance. We have support. Very easy. If we break above 191.771, 53 pip range to move bullish towards 192.312. And if we break below, let's take a look at this on a 30-minute time frame. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, let's extend this to the left-hand side. And now we have to look at where the target is going to be. Now, on the 30-minute, it seems like there was just one candle that went bearish and retraced. But if we move to the 15-minute time frame, this is where we have some more information on market structure. So I guess this will be a good target if we do continue to push down. We got ADP. ADP normally, it has volume, but I don't know. See, sometimes it can have a really good push. Sometimes it can really good push, but most times it just kind of like whipsaw. Like it's going to stay between an 80 to 120 pip range, and it's just going to whipsaw. Any trades today? No. Are you expecting GJ to drop? I have no idea because Canada cut the rates. I'm not too sure about. I don't remember if the US cut the rates or not, but let's take a look at this here. That was last week. So let's see here. Boom, 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 boom. And okay, Europe cut the rates. And okay. So the US kept the rates the same. US kept the rates the same. Canada cut the rates. So I don't know whether pound will cut the rates or not. Because if pound cuts the rates, I think there's a very big possibility pound can drop even more. Hope you read my message in profit section. I'm a few. My subscription ends early today, and I wasn't unaware. So message in free section of profit. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see if Chris can get that. Yeah. Yeah, I think Chris will have to take a look at that. Can you confirm? Oh, you're lucky I read your message on YouTube chat. Wow. Can you confirm that in the challenge of Dominion, the first place has 50-60%? If it is like that, it's crazy. 3 days ago, it was 170% the first place. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. So the account now, so let's say the account was at $100. So if you got in at $100, it did 170% return. That's for ease of math. That would be, all right, 100 plus 170%. That'll be 270. And now it's 50% off. So it's probably $150 now. Yeah, they're looking to reduce to 4.5. Yeah, maybe. Then definitely we're going to drop. Definitely. My KYC is still pending. Yes, it will. Someone will get to that. This is an automated message left to know by acting is transcribing to meetings I can give input. What is this? Tactic transcribing. I'm not going to open this. Develop enough confidence. Next for me would be exploiting this with size. Let's take a look at this chart. Ooh, wow, look at that. Beautiful. Impulse entry, 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute time frame. Beautiful. Developed enough confidence next for me to exploit this. Yeah, that's it. Like once you see one setup happening over and over again, all you have to do is to repeat that. And the more you repeat, the bigger your confidence gets. And then you're able to exploit it with size, with confidence. That's true. I bought my first ever Dominion challenge in funding market. In Dominion funding. First challenge you bought. Bro, I will tell you to be very, very, very patient. Be very patient. Just really pick your trades and be very patient. How is Dominion funding backed by what? Rolex? No, it's not. I can't get access to Discord. Who do I contact? No, you can. You can go to WAP, and then from there you can get access to Discord. Is Dominion markets available in Uzbekistan? Yes. So you were talking about a surprise. The surprise we have for Dominion, for clients of Dominion funding, is going to be on the 14th of February. 14th of February. Through love, we're giving you the surprise. Through love. All right, let's see over here. I love the link up with Q. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. How to hold trade for a long time? I only secured 10 to 15 pips. Let's trade. Okay, so whenever you're only able to hold a trade for like 10 to 15 pips, the best thing to do is it's not like how to do that or where to learn from that, because ideally you can just let the whole thing run, and there's going to be a higher probability. More times it will get stopped out, and less times it will continue to run. So how do you do that? Basically, it's all about confidence, because maybe you lack confidence in letting your trades run, or maybe you lack confidence in being comfortable enough to say that, okay, price will hit my target, so I should let this run. So you have to build that confidence, and the lack of confidence instills fear, because at the end of the day, you're fearful to hold it. So what you have to do is you look at that. Let's say you have a one lot running and you're in 15 pip profits, and you think price will continue to go in your favor or whatever. I would close 0.8 lots, and I would let 0.2 lots running or 0.1 lots running, and if it runs to my target of like 50 pips, 60, whatever, then my confidence increases here a little bit. What's this? I learned if your plan is spot on, it should go directly to somebody pull back. Yep, that's correct. What's the biggest funded account Dominion market self-insurance clients? $100,000. Okay, let's take a look at some updates. What's this? Something I need access to. All right. Hold on a sec over here. What we have to do here is yes, price action through 50 runners. Yeah, but that doesn't happen every day. All right, I gotta it's agreement. All right, cool. Can I deposit in Euro Dominion and change it from dollar inside the platform? Yes, you can. Okay. All right. So I had to show you something very, very important. This is important. This is an experiment we've been running for about 5 days now, 6 days now. This is a meme coin. It's called, oh, Jinx is right here. Oh, wow, look at that. Jinx has made a comeback. Look at this. This is Jinx. So you know what's very interesting? Oh, what's very interesting about this is that this is basically now a chart. You know, this is a chart. And, you know, sometimes some people buy over here, they sell over here, or some people initially they bought over here, price went up, maybe they doubled their money or they tripled their money, and then they sold, so price came down. So I'm still holding. I have like 200 million Jint coins that I'm holding. 200 million Jint coins. Let's see, where's the portfolio at this point? The portfolio at this point is with my 200 million. Okay, it's at $22,000. It's at 22,000. You know, so I put in about what, $6,000. It's at 22,000. You know, so I think right over here. So yeah, so we'll have to wait for that Jints. Guy in a suit. I'm a blockchain developer and I'm in crypto for the last 4 years. I can help you pump this coin. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Message me in Discord and let's see. And message Chris. Let's see. Every time you wait for gold to retrace and push in the direction of the trend, the volume dies out. Yeah. Because look how much we've moved, man. Look at this daily candle. No retracement. Moved about 360, like $36, you know, 360 pips. When you secure some pips, what do you do with stop loss? I put my stops at break even. Because so when I'm securing positions, I'm not leaving my stop loss wherever it is, because if price comes from profits and takes me out in negative, man, that's bad. That is bad. You should never allow price to retrace and hit you at negative. You should be never allowing that. On my C trader, BTC is showing trading for the symbol is closed when I put my cursor in buy. So what does that mean? That means, I don't know, nothing. Our here is open. It's not closed. Let's take a look at this chart over here by Junaid Ahmed. Junaid Ahmed has sent a chart. I took the trade. Oh, wow. Look at that. Very nice. Buys. Very nice. It's so beautiful to see. I think on the 30-minute, it was impulse entry scenario. I think so. Raja, why don't you use indicators or fib? Because they're all lagging indicators. Look at this. Pound yen is right now in a 56 pip range. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, you just have to wait for price to break out this range. You know, you will get very, very nice sells below 191. Well, 191 is a very strong psychological number here as well. I just saw that. You know, potential sells below 191. Strong number. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Strong number over here. 191 is a psychological number. Normally, you'll see price bounce from different zones. And when you look at the numbers, some are going to be very strong psychological numbers. Like 191 is a psychological number. Like, look, we broke out of it. We came back, then went down, came back, whatever, reject. So we don't know. But if we do break below 191, I think it can continue to go much lower. But if it's setting a base at 191, then I think there's a high probability to break above 191,700. Can you show us how to customize close button in MagicKeys? No, because my MagicKeys, oh man, it's out of battery again. How to edit it? Yeah, it's out of battery. Are we waiting for a liquidity grab or break of above or below? What the fuck is a liquidity grab? Why would you say, are we looking for liquidity grab for what? We're in consolidation. Look at that. We are consolidating. What liquidity grab do you need? Either you need a candle to break and close above 28.72, right? And then with volume in New York session, continue to push up to fill this wick to the left-hand side, or you need a candle to break and close below 28.64 or 28.65, so that we have clean range here to the left-hand side for price to move, which is a pretty big range, like a 70 pip range. Yeah, you can put your stop loss in profits. I put my stop loss like in 2 pip profit just to cover the spread, so that even if it comes down, it doesn't count as a loss, it counts as a win. That's why some of my trades, you see that, let's see here. Some of my trades, you'll see that they are tiny wins. Look, oh, only 2 or 3. Yeah, only 2 or 3. Oh, wow, look at that. 25 lot. This will load up faster. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, see, that was also break even trade. 3 pips, 8, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. Out of these trades hit break even. 0 6-figure trade. Almost had one right here when my account was at 900,000. But yeah. Anyway, let's see here. Today, nothing. What are you waiting for? Waiting for price to give us some sort of information. That way are we going to go. I'm up 2% in a 50,000 account and 3% up 25,000. It's all because of you. I was a guy who used to take 5 to 7 trades a day, and after your knowledge, I take 1 or 2 trades a day. Junaid, beautiful. Very, very well done. Which pair are you analyzing? We are analyzing gold at this point. What is your win rate? Honest answer, please. Okay. Not that good. I mean, look, in January, my win rate was 52%. And my losing rate was 47% in January. Still made money because of managing risk, because knowing how to lose less than planned. Look at this right here. In 2024, September had the biggest win rate, 73%, and losing 26%. So I took 22 trades, 22 plus 8, yeah, whatever, 30 trades. Yeah, look at that. 51%. Look at this, 65%. Oh, December. Yeah. December was a losing month. Finally had a losing month. It was December. Oh, actually, let me see what was in December anyway. What happened in December? I don't recall taking any trades. I think I lost some profits or something. Oh no, I still made money. $12,000. But yeah, I had more losing trades than winning trades. Look at managed risk. Oh, it was only 1 lot. 30 lot, managed risk, didn't manage risk, 18, 12 pip there. Whatever. We're testing a few things. But yeah, we're still consolidating here now. I have a very important question. Is PropFirm trading halal? Honestly, I don't know. You can ask Maulvi or someone who knows more about the religion than me. I can't afford your course. Can I get the same knowledge for free from YouTube? No. What? The course? The course is $138. If you cannot afford $138, or screw $130, if you cannot afford $1,000 for education to make money, you know where the problem is then? Just understand this. You're trying to learn how to make money, but you don't have money to learn how to make money. Like, that's pretty off. After my membership ends, will I get automatically kicked out of Discord? Yes, unfortunately. What's the best withdrawal method on Dominion, in your opinion, in Pakistan, local bank, and crypto? How to turn $20 to to 2,000 on Dominion markets. $20 to 2,000. I don't know. I don't know. Can you explain a little bit on news or the US economy, why gold is breaking all-time highs? Yeah, so basically what's happening is if you look at the macroeconomic sentiment at this point, there are sort of like trade tariffs being thrown around between the US, Canada, US, Mexico, like China wants to impose 15% trade tariffs, and these things affect the price of the US dollar on the global scale. So whenever you have something affecting the US dollar on a global scale, that's going to have a profound effect on gold as well. And I think based on the fear in the market, like based on what sort of trade tariffs will actually go in, if it's just not talks, based on that fear, we're seeing gold continue to push up. Because when there's fear in the market, all the money goes into gold because it's safe haven for the USD. When economy starts to ramp up back again, where people think that their dollar is going to be worth more in the market, they move money from gold to the US market, like bonds, treasuries, and overall the US dollar goes up. So that's the easiest way I can explain why gold has been making all-time high. Mind you, these are just talks. These are just rumors in the market that, tariffs, this, that. So market's just moving on rumors. Market's just pricing it all in that, okay, what if the tariffs are imposed? Then this is the price where gold needs to be. Because here's the thing. Another contradictory question could be, if I'm going to play devil's advocate, is going to be that, if the market doesn't want to price it in, why not just wait for the official news? Because when we do get the official news, all you would see on the chart is going to be just one big candle moving up. One big candle, boom, up. That's why we just can't have that. That's why the market is always cosmetically structured. You know what that word means? Cosmetically structured. Like it will move and sway in different ways and it will just make sense technically. That's what I firmly believe. Technicals are the best way to identify where price will be. Like if you do break above 28.73, moving to 28.77. And what we know about gold when it makes higher highs is when it broke above, 2,500, 2,600, 2,700. If you go back and you're going to see that in that initial breakup, gold moves in $5 increments. I've also made this video on my Instagram as well. It always moves in $5 increments, So if we do break above 28.77, I think 28.80, 28.85, 28.90, so these are the levels I look at. Because sometimes if it's going to try to make a all-time high, you could ask that, okay, well, if it's going to break up, what's my target? So based on what I have seen in the market, easily you could look at these $5 increments. How are you? I'm good. I want to ask you if you offer any service to convert cryptocurrencies to MasterCard dollar balance. No, sir. We don't have that yet. Over-the-counter crypto. What's this? Can you check this variable zone entry? Okay. Break above this area, but there needs to be volume. Yeah, these variable zones are good. This entry is good. This one. See, the issue here is that as you're taking entries here when you have a resistance to the left-hand side, and maybe it's breaking the high on the 30-minute or whatever, is that this is in the perfect world trending way, right? It's like following the trend. This here may not always happen. So I'd like to move along with that with caution. Entry on when this candle starts, great. Entry on when this candle starts, great, because this gets a little bit risky, but yeah, it kind of makes sense. I sent email to Dominion support and I'm still waiting. Okay, what was the email? And I will forward this to them right now. Right now. It should be done. Is your prop, what's this? All right, let me just save this here. Let's see this here. And we'll get down to it, why this was missed or ignored or what happened, why it happened. I think that's very important. But yeah, we're still consolidating here. Nothing happening so far. Just chilling. Okay. What's this? Are you on Discord? Are you on Discord? I think it's going to be better if you open up a ticket there on Discord. Yeah, because that's something that works really, really well. Because these tickets, they get answered live. Like, look, I'll show you right here. See this? So this is our Dominion Discord, which is also open for all clients. You can come in over here. We have a trading community at Dominion Markets. You can access this community main chat. Trading ideas are thrown around. And then over here, you have your tickets. For me, it just shows all new because I don't look at tickets. Our team does. But yeah, these tickets are like, you know, they're very, very active on these tickets. All right, let's above 2870. And it was hilarious. Who made this video? Someone made a video? It was hilarious. Who made this video? Someone made a video? TikTok. Make your day. Let's take a look at this over here. What is this? Huh? What about have a wider stop loss? Brime, Philic, I think that's that doesn't make any sense. Have a wider I mean, these things of like having a wide stop and a mental stop, they just don't make any sense. Let's have a wide stop loss. Let's have a mental stop loss. I mean, we're talking about what I'm talking about here is the way how I trade. You know, simple. You know, there are people who don't like it, they can leave. People who like it, they can stay. You know, simple. You know, there are people who don't like it, they can leave. People who like it, they can stay. But at the end of the day, everyone's going to stay. You know what? That's not bad. Pips and clips. Let's take a look at this shit over here. All credit goes to Raja Banks. What? What's this? To a point you got confident to increase your risk since you started? Yeah, 20. Nah. What the hell is this? End of the trading day and say, hey man, I lost X percentage. And ask them, why'd you lose X? You know what? This is the funniest one. What about have a wider stop loss? Brime, Philic, I think that's that's funny. That is hilarious. All right. If price breaks 2872, are you interested in taking a trade before ADP? No. No, sir. No, sir. We need some funny. I want to purchase MagicKeys. How can I get it cheaper? I need the physical one. I want the right place to get it. MagicKeys.trade. I consistently clear phase 1 about 80% of the time, okay? But I'm yet to clear phase 2. Been trying to clear phase for months and failed multiple times. What your advice should me be? We're all monkeys. So multiple times you have failed, which means multiple times you have spent money and bought a funded challenge. Why don't you just spend money and get some education and then go buy a bloody challenge? Then go buy a challenge. You don't have to do this, man. This is torture. How can you guys do this? Without education, you guys are going to spend thousands on challenges without having any education. How does that make any sense? I don't understand this. There's no WhatsApp link. Where are you guys coming from? Raja is not a scammer. He's a very good boy. I met him in Dubai Mall. He is lovely. Thank you. Do you think one strategy is enough to be profitable? Yes, I have one strategy, and I think it's enough to be profitable. No, we don't have. We had yeah, we do have Skrill, but it's like we're not getting the correct integration with Skrill, for lack of better explanation. Does chart pattern strategy work the same for Forex and crypto? Yes, I think it does. All right, let's take a look at this link over here. Before we do that, pound yen is still consolidating. So I'm going to mark this as the range of debt. We got the range of debt on pound yen. And from this range, I think it's going to be important to stay away. I mean, this is like 55 pip range. Let's see over here. Let's see if someone gets some butterfingers below. What's this? 191.360, 20 pip range. Yeah, just wait for price to either break up or break below. You know, let's take a look at that over here. Watch this one.
Is this your Lamborghini?
Oh yeah, I've seen this. Look at that bag of money over there. Look at that bag of money over there. This is where they had the influencer con. Yeah, it's crazy.
Over 50. Over 50.
This is like 500,000 views.
$100 last year. Is that for yourself or the business? That's for myself. Are you serious? How
Wow.
old were you when you became a
Very
millionaire?
nice.
I'm not a millionaire.
No?
I'm a billionaire.
Not from who's able to give you advice.
Very nice. Very nice interview. What do you think about Dogecoin? 40 billion market cap, only 0.2. I don't know. You know, I thought Dogecoin is going to go up because of DOGE, which was introduced by Elon. DOGE, Department of Government. Department of something, you know. Which one is better and more secure for withdrawing money, through USDT or through Visa from Dominion markets? Both are good. Department of Government Efficiency. Yeah, that's correct. Both are good. Both are good. Our Visa MasterCard withdrawals are the same day withdrawals in about, I say 90% of the countries. The rest of the countries, it takes like 24 to 48 hours, you know, as per banking. New York session open in 9:30 for NASDAQ 100. So please find an entry with your strategy on previous days. No. Send a chart. I'll take a look at that. Want to share any words? What should we do in all-time high? I learned everything from you except what we do in all-time high. I explained it in the beginning of the stream and somewhere in the middle of the stream. I literally explained what to do when price reaches an all-time high. Explained the whole thing. How do you remove this? So you have to rewatch it. Are you a president? Not yet. Well, yes, I am president. I'm president of my house. I'm president of my company. So I'm president in 2 places. Yeah, sir, can I withdraw directly to Pakistani banks from Dominion markets? Yes. How to add Dominion market logo in C Trader background? You need to have this. You need to have this logo. You want it? I'll give it to you. Okay, now how do you get these? How do you Dominion logos? So where is it? No, this is not where it's at. Dominion markets. Is there it? No. Is it over here? Dominion markets images? No. Where did they? All right, I'll get it later. Oh, if you guys want it, you can go right over here. You can go to, what's this? Yeah, so you can sign up to Dominion Markets, go to our Discord, and when you go to our Discord, what you can do is, you can go over here, wallpapers, and in this section, you will see the wallpapers. Yeah, there we go. Yes, we got all the wallpapers right over here. No, I was connected to VPN. Now I'm not connected to VPN. Now there's no VPN. I was connected before. So I disconnected it because it was getting laggy. I'd like to say thank you, man, because I learned a lot of things watching you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, VPN is off. Relax. People, stream lagging too much. Oh, tell us about broker manipulation. It doesn't happen. A broker doesn't care about your $100. Trust me. I want to purchase your Magic Keys. How can I get it cheaper? Make more money. How many trades you took today? 0. 0 trades I took today. Invoices on invoices coming up since it's the start of the month. Invoices on invoices. Does Double Wick usually confirm an entry among other valuation course? No. No, sir. Currently having $3,000. What to do? Suggest me. I am subscribing to MFU for 6 months. I was in MFU 6 months back. So the main question, should I buy 100K Dominion funding or deposit it all in Dominion? So basically, if you have $3,000, if you want to get 6 months subscription, do that. That's great. I would deposit $1,000 in personal account, and then I will make, let's say I want to buy like a $100,000 challenge, right? And the price is like $650, $600, whatever. Then I would make $600 profit. I will withdraw that profit, and then I'll buy the challenge. That's what I would do. Yeah, ADP will have an effect on the market, which we will see in 30 minutes. Can we get withdrawal directly to bank? No. Can you explain again all-time high concept? Yeah, someone explain it really quick. So whenever price makes an all-time high, especially on gold, what I've seen is that it moves in $5 increments, you know. So if we're going to break above, let's say 28.73, there's a very high probability we will fill this wick and move towards 28.80. Now, when we move towards 28.80, there's no history to the left-hand side, so it just moves in $5 increments. So 28.80 move to 28.85, from 28.85 to 28.90. That's how usually it moves. What's up? Yeah, found them. Yeah, thank you. Yes, 5 minutes. That's true. What's the difference between two options with MT5 Simulator? I have not looked at the second option. Dominion Markets phone number is not working. I need to know, add Skrill, my Dominion account with Skrill, how to do, send an email and open up a ticket. Fix the lag. There's no lag. Maybe turn the stream off and then come back. Let me see over here. Do I have lag over here? Hold on. That's true. What's the difference between two options with MT5 Simulator? Where do you see a lag? I have not looked at the second option. There's no lag. I don't see any lag. Dominion Markets phone number is not working. I need to know, add Skrill, my Dominion account with Skrill, how to open up a ticket. Do I have lag over here? Hold on. That's true. A little bit. You're right. But hey, that's what you get for a free stream. We are now close to 3,000. It's very, very likely that we will be there soon. Yeah, we're close to 3,000, to be honest. Not that close, but we are close. 3,000. It's here. It's right here. 3,000. 3,000 is about, wow, $120 away. MT5 Simulator is, yes, I'm a co-owner of MT5 Simulator. Happens only on cryptocurrency. Brother, open up a ticket in Discord. Open up a ticket, because honestly, I can't do customer service while I'm doing the stream. Open up a ticket and Rakil will go and take a look at it. Do you have offline classes in Dubai? Yeah, we're planning on to. So we have NY Open coming up. Wow, look at that. Pound yen wanted to close above this area, but I guess something's stopping it. Look at a 30-minute time frame here. I'm up 5.9% on my Dominion funded account. Can't wait for my first withdrawal. Anthony, very, very, very nicely done. Very nicely done. Raja ji, itna paisa hai, अच्छा internet ही लगा लो. यार, क्या scene है? All right, let's just restart for everybody. But yeah, over here, we'll just have to wait.